Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gale, here to wish you a happy new year from the Scrap Room. We're so glad to have you all here, and we hope you'll join us all year long for more collections and more fun over on the Facebook group and the blog. I'm here today to share the January 2024 Double Shot Kit. This is the smaller kit that has 2 brand new collections every month. It includes cardstock, pattern paper, and embellishment, so everything that you need to start creating. You also have access to a free cut file. This month is this amazing cut file, Amazing Dude, and then we've got some chevron arrows, so this has a lot of potential in it. Our 2 collections this month are Winterland from Echo Park, perfect for your winter and snow pictures or cozying up at home. And we have Ringing in the New Year from Photoplay Paper. So let's dig in. We're going to take a closer look at each one of these collections. For our first collection, Echo Park Winterland, you're going to receive 2 sheets of white cardstock and 1 sheet of Tutu Pink. This is one of my favorite pinks. It's just a soft, pretty delicate pink. For your pattern papers, we have this gorgeous winter floral print. The back is a pink with little triangles. This paper is called Winterland Floral. We have snowflakes on that bluish gray background. The back is a dark blue plaid. Love that. Welcome winter. Then we have this adorable little penguin. The back of it is, if you turned it this way, it'd kind of look like little rainbows. It's a 2-toned blue print. Kind of that blue-green. Look how beautiful those colors are together. So that is your pattern paper. For your embellishments, you're going to get the 12 by 12 sticker sheet. So we have a scalloped snowflake down here, and then a navy blue with white snowflake border. Love the little snow globes. We have titles that you can use: Winter, Winter Wonderland, Stay Warm and Cozy. All of the adorable little penguins and snowmen. We also have this adorable fox and the polar bear. So cute. So perfect for all of your warm and cozy photos this winter. So that is Winterland from Echo Park. Our next collection is from Photoplay, and this is Ringing in the New Year, and I love the colors of this collection. I'm a pink girl, so this is a fun take on a New Year's with the pink and the black and the gold. So you're going to start with 2 sheets of black cardstock, 1 sheet of Piglet Pink, and then this paper called New Beginnings, which is all these different stars and different sizes and different prints. The back is a gold kind of bubbles print, so that's a fun print. This one's Sparkle and Shine, so we have the gold and white striped, and the back are our champagne and balloons and our party hats. This paper is called Cue the Confetti, so we have confetti burst, or it could be interpreted as fireworks if you're somewhere that does fireworks for New Year's, and then the confetti falling down on the back. Again, really fun New Year's collection. For your embellishments, you're going to receive the 12 by 12 sticker sheet. So we have numbers here so you can do the year. And I love that they included doubles so that you could do any years that passed or coming forward. We have this that could be used as the title, The Happy New Year. Oh, what a night. This will be my year. So you could use this to document if you do something special on New Year's Eve, and then you could also do a layout on maybe your New Year's resolutions or goals, or what's coming in the new year. Also, I love to do a layout wrapping up the year and kind of highlight what's happened in the past. So this is a perfect collection. We have a little small scalloped border with that starburst print down here. So a lot of fun. This is Ringing in the New Year from Photoplay Paper. One more look at your double shot kit. Be sure to join us over on the Facebook group and the blog for challenges. We have sketches up there, the Freaky Fast Friday, which is my favorite. Lots of inspiration. So thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create this year.